Transform the lives of more tauira. Today we're announcing changes to our brand, starting with our logo. The tauihu or prow remains, but the perspective is new. The rangahau to inform these changes was rigorous. We carefully considered every line, every idea, and every pixel. The team spent many hours creating and designing, considering our heritage while remaining modern and future-focused.
Our rangahau involved looking at a logo whakapapa. Our beginning at the Waipa River in Te Awamatu, the 7 voyaging waka to Aotearoa, progress through Te Tauihu, and a refinement as we matured. Inspiration came from the waka, the water, and the A for Aotearoa.
Any logo is a bit like a whakatauki that represents that institution into a very simple form. The fact that you're looking down onto the waka, that tells you, consider where you're looking down from on high where you came from. So discover what that really is.
3 new fonts are introduced today, giving us a variety for both formal and informal designs. Our custom uhi font speaks to our roots in whakairo and toi Māori. Our words will be carved by the chisel and acknowledging our heritage.
We're looking at all these new colours, Tāne, to the Moana, Te Ranginui, Papatūānuku. They're all about the feeling that people have when they're in that environment. They're positive, more contemporary explanations of who we are as a culture.
Our rangahau told us a hard truth. We've been around a long time, but many New Zealanders still don't know who we are.
I don't know much about the wānanga.
Not much really.
I don't really know anything.
Many people don't know our values. Design can change this. We can be traditional and modern. Now when you hit the streets, you'll have beautiful and powerful marketing materials to make recruiting easier.
In the coming months, you'll see changes to signs, the website, and other advertising material. Logo and brand are not the same thing. Our logo is what you see, but our brand is you, the people, the kaimahi of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. You are the brand. So continue teaching and transforming, continue contributing to tauira's success.